Our team coverage of the coronavirus outbreak continues right now.
We both were kind of really worried, freaking out, trying to figure out what we got to do.
The U.S. government is suspending travel from 28 European countries right now. The measures were announced in hopes of lessening the spread of COVID-19. As Channel 3's Aya Galal explains, the travel ban has caused confusion for many Americans who are still abroad.
In an effort to slow the spread of the coronavirus, the Trump administration is banning European nationals from entering the U.S. The decision causing chaos and long lines at international airports like Chicago's O'Hare as travelers wait for required medical screenings. The initial travel restrictions were announced Wednesday and caused confusion for American tourists who are in Europe right now.
Everyone was asking, basically, how are we? What are we doing? And my dad was just like, you have to get home. My mom the same. You need to leave ASAP.
Michael CAVALLARO and his partner Garrett are from Southington and are currently in Granada, Spain. We spoke over FaceTime with Michael, who says despite confusion over who the travel ban applies to, things are relatively calm where they're at right now.
From my perspective, and again, I haven't been to the States since Tuesday, there's not this mass panic and people aren't going out buying a million things. We were just at the grocery store and there are groceries available. I think the only things that weren't available were fresh meat and Purell.
The usually bustling streets and plazas of downtown Madrid are silent. After declaring a national state of emergency on Friday, Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez also issued an order of confinement for the entire country.
As you all know, Spain is facing a public health emergency that requires extraordinary decisions, a pandemic that is global and that involves serious harm to people's well-being.
Michael and Garrett reworked their plans in order to avoid Madrid. They say there's not much traffic in Granada right now.
It seems that things have severely slowed down in the city. There's not many people outside at all.
They plan to stay in their Airbnb until their flight back to the United States on Tuesday.
I guess the concern is going to reside around getting into JFK and what that experience is going to be like, what we're in for.
As of midnight Monday, the travel ban will extend to Britain and Ireland. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.